In this recording, we're going to show you how to make an NPC. So I'm just going to join the world which I'm playing in. The first thing I'll do when I get into the world is I need to put the correct command in the world to make it do the building of an NPC. So to create an NPC, I need to put this slash, as it comes up, world builder, which is all one word. Then I press enter and it changes it to true. This will allow me to make the egg to spawn with. I need to make sure that in my belt I've got a spawning egg. So I press on E. Now if I haven't got an egg, I'll just type in spawn NPC. And that brings up this little thing here, which I put into there. Okay, and that's done. So I've got an NPC egg in there. I close that down. Now, all I have to do to spawn is I have to make sure that I am on the egg, which is surrounded by that heavy frame. To do that, I just count 1, 2. The egg is in box 2. I press the number 2. It is now on the egg. I right mouse button click, and there's the NPC. I right mouse button click onto the NPC, and now I can change it. I can give it its name. If I want to give it some text, I can type the text in here. I can also, and this is really good say for something like refugees or countries, I can add a URL. If I paste the URL into there, it will take the URL, you'll create a button for it, and then your NPC will be able to show a video. Once I've got that, to make sure that I've got the things right, I have to retype slash world builder to change it to false mode. There it says it's false. And now I'm going to go to one of the people in my, there, Mr. Suzuki's got all the things he's saying. And then there's a video which would open to a video link. If I put the video link in there, that's just to show. And that is how you do NPC spawning and making.